Gladiolus, orchids, lilies, roses and gerberas are some of the best flowers to give on a birthday. Their bright and vibrant colors add an extra splash of joy to the festive occasion. Gladiolus represents strength, integrity, and success, perfect letting someone know how much they're appreciated on their big day. Gladiolus have been a symbol of strength, integrity and success for centuries. They make an especially meaningful gift when given on someone's birthday, as they represent the best wishes you can give. That your recipient will be strong, honest, and prosperous in the year ahead. A bouquet of gladioli is an excellent way to show just how much someone means to you and wish them luck in the coming days. Orchids make a great gift for someone special on their birthday, as they are revered for their exotic beauty and grace. Orchids come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, making them the perfect one-of-a-kind gift for someone who is truly unique. They look beautiful when presented in a vase or bouquet and also make a lovely accent piece on a windowsill or table. Their presence adds an air of elegance to any occasion and makes the recipient feel extra special on their special day. Roses are the perfect way to express your love and appreciation on someone's birthday. With their deep, romantic hue and soft petals, they make a timeless and sophisticated statement that will show just how much you care. Whether given as a single stem or in an arrangement of mixed colors, roses can add warmth and beauty to any celebration. They brighten up a room with their vibrant colors and will always be sure to bring a smile to the face of someone special on their big day. Lilies make an ideal gift for someone special on their birthday, as they represent beauty and femininity. With their sweet scent and elegant petals, lilies are sure to bring joy and light to any celebration. Whether given as a single stem or in an arrangement, lilies will brighten up the room with their vibrant colors and create a truly memorable moment that the recipient will treasure for years to come. Finally, gerberas are the perfect way to bring sunshine and joy to someone's special day. With their bright array of colors and warm, cheerful blooms, they will bring a smile to any room. Whether given as a single stem or in an arrangement, gerberas make the perfect gift for brightening up the birthday celebrations of someone you love. No matter which type of flower you choose to give on a birthday, the gesture is sure to be appreciated and remembered. It's a beautiful way to express your love, admiration, and appreciation for someone special in your life. So go ahead, surprise your loved one with some stunning blooms. They're sure to make their day brighter. Happy birthday!